Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Masyitah Amirudin and today I'm going to show you a short and simple tutorial video on how to manage your own digital assets by using a digital asset management software or DAM software. Right now, I'm using ResourceSpace as my DAM software platform. ResourceSpace is a free online software which is very useful and suitable for people who want to gain new knowledge about the DAM software itself and for people who want to manage their own digital assets properly. Currently, I'm using the latest version of ResourceSpace, that is version 9.2, which has been released on 27 February 2020. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, you are required to sign up in order for you to get access into the software by filling up your details such as your full name, email address, installation URL which you can create it by yourself, and you can choose either you want to start with empty system or with templates. As for me, I choose to start with empty system, and then you launch the ResourceSpace. I have done this part earlier and this is the result. As you can see, this is the main page of your ResourceSpace software after you have logged in. You can choose any type of digital asset you want to upload. For instance, photo or images, document, video and audio. In fact, you can choose either you want to use the default collection or create a new collection to keep all your digital assets. As for me, I have created my own collection named ICM560 so that I can easily manage my digital assets. Below are some examples of digital assets that I have uploaded before. In order for your digital assets to be uploaded into the same collection, you need to click on the action button on your left side instead of the upload button on your right side. After you have clicked the action button, a small tab will appear and you need to click upload to this collection in the resource section, and then the upload resource page will appear. In this page, you can choose either you want to add file or drag files of your digital asset from your file explorer. I will show you some example. I will drag these images from my file explorer into the software, and then I start upload. After the images has been uploaded, a metadata section of your digital asset will appear like this. Here you can see more details about your digital asset. For example, the file format, the size, the resource type, the title which you can edit or change later, the keyword that has been recognized by the software or the repository, the other keywords, country, date, and etc. After you have edited what is necessary, you can choose either you want to save and next or save and auto next, as both of them carries the same function. And then you click it. It will lead you to a collection that you have created. As for me, before this, I have uploaded 30 digital assets of different type and different file format, as you can see here. There are some examples of images, video, document, and audio. Now, you can click on the photo that you have uploaded just now, and then the data about the metadata of the picture will appear. For instance, the file format, file dimension, file size, and the resource detail such as resource ID of the digital asset have their own unique ID. And then the access, contribute by, keyword that has been recognized by the repository or software, and date. You can also click on the archive button if, let's say, you want to use this picture or photo for future use and retrieval. In addition, you can also preview the digital asset that you have uploaded just now. Like this, you can see the full preview of this panda or image. Then, you can upload more and more digital assets from various sources or file format. After you have uploaded enough digital assets, if let's say you want to find something or you want to find a file inside your repository but you don't know which file but you know the keyword, you can just type on the search navigation, for example cat, and then you can choose what type of digital asset you want to search. For example, I choose photo and then click search. After that, a list of cat photo will appear in various formats. As you can see, there are JPG format, GIF format, PNG, and JPEG. And then you can preview the images that you wanted, like this. There you are. That's some simple steps that you can follow in order for you to use this ResourceSpace software. Now we have come to the end. I hope you can understand and explore more about this ResourceSpace software in the future, as it has a lot more function that I couldn't cover in this tutorial. Thank you for watching and stay safe.